Hi, we're going to take a look at Spreadsheets assignment number 4. A couple of different things. We need to center this, so we're going to merge the cells and center it. We'll apply a bolding, maybe make it a little bit larger. When we take a look at the players, some of the players, actually this total value, I want that column to contain all those words there. So I'm going to just double click that. And that will expand the width of that first row. But then these next 4, I want them all to be the same width. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight all 4 of them. And then if I just drag just one of these, it's going to adjust all 4 at the same time. So they'll give me a consistent look. So I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. I think that looks pretty good there. Now my average value extends past the cell. So just like last time, we're going to wrap that around. Right? And then I think we are centering the headers. So I highlight these. I'll center it. I'll bold it, and it looks like they're vertically aligned at the top. So I'll also take my vertical alignment and move it to the top. All right, so this is looking good. Then also, we're going to add the your name. So in this case, Holmes. I'm going to add my value. It's going to be $3.10 for the 1980 to 1990 card. I saw a decline in my performance down to 210. And then the 2000, they were like, yeah, whatever. Old fart. It's worth 2 cents. So you can just add your own values for yourself. So we want to do an average. So there's 3 different types of averages. There's mean, median, and mode. And all 3 of those are available as formulas. So if I go with mean, it doesn't come up. Median is there. Median value in numeric, that's it. Median mode, that's there. So where is mean? Mean, typically if we say the mean, we're actually referring to average. So I can actually just use average. So equals average. There we go. Average value in a data set, ignoring text. So I want the average formula, and then you're going to highlight the cells that you want to get an average for, right? So I would close my bracket, and that will give me the average for Ted Williams. Of course, I would put that in this location. In the same way, I can apply it type this formula again, do the same thing here. But I mean, I can type again and again and again, but we don't want to do that. Far more efficient is to say, well, clearly if I'm what I want to do, if I'm just repeating the same thing again and again, I'm getting the average of these 3 values, I can click and drag down, and now we see that the average is being applied. So for Mickey Mantle, if I look at the formula for that, it's saying the average of B7 to D7, that's B7 to D7. So it knows to copy that same formula down. So that's how I can calculate my average. Total values, we know we can use those as sum. Average equals average. Oh, look at that. Now you got to be really careful here. So the computer wants to help you out, and so it's giving you a suggested formula of the average of B3 to B16. But B16 would also include your total value of the collection. So we don't want that. We want to say thanks Google, but I'm going to do it myself, and I'm going to highlight the cells that I want. Go down all the way down to myself, John Holmes, to B15. Close my bracket. So that gives me my average. And then they're suggesting maybe I want the average continuing moving down. I don't want that. So instead what I want is the highest value of the card. I'm going to say the highest, also known as the maximum, and the lowest, also known as the minimum. So I'm going to start typing that maximum and minimum. So this is equal to the max, look at that, it comes right out, maximum value in a numeric data set. Max, bracket, and again I have to choose the cells that I'm interested in. And in the same way, min would be as well, equals. And again, it's suggesting that it could be this, but be careful of what it's suggesting. But it's going to be the min equals min, and then choose the cells that you want. All right, so with that information, you should be able to complete the bottom part here and complete your average value. And then don't forget about formatting the entire thing using our quarters. Great. If there's any questions, let me know.